What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you how to deposit with Cash App on Pocket Option. So in order for you to make a deposit here using your Cash App account into Pocket Option, you need to use or utilize the, in this case, crypto transfer or send via Cash App here. So first things first, what do we need to use here? Well, first things first, you want to go to pocketoption.com, log in into your account, and you want to go to finance at the left side here, and you want to choose the deposit option. Now from here, since in this case Cash App can actually hold Bitcoin here, I'm gonna go into search here, go to Bitcoin or search for Bitcoin here, BTC. So you want to go and choose Bitcoin, and from here just specify the amount that you want to basically cash in. Like for example, you have like amount or $100 amount of Bitcoin here. Now if you have a promo code, you can go and specify that as well in here. But once you need to do is once you've filled out the details, just click on continue and pay $100. And from here, this should actually give you the address that you need to use. So for example, this Bitcoin network here. And also the complete the payment, please transfer the following. So you need to transfer this specific amount here. So again, you could go and just copy the Bitcoin network address here, or you could just save this QR code for later use with your Cash App account. So next is you want to head over into your Cash App account. Now in your Cash App account here, in your Bitcoin page, what you need to do is you want to go and click on the send button that you see here next to the sell button. So you have buy, sell, and then send. Let's go and choose send here. And from here, you can go and just choose the send Bitcoin option, and you should be directed to this window. Now in here, you may want to basically specify how much you want to send in here. So and how much, like for example, if you want to send like $100 worth of BTC, you could go and specify that, or you could go and switch over to BTC so that you could basically specify how much BTC you could actually send. But yeah. So you could also choose the scan QR code button at the top left here so that you can scan the QR code that we saw before. But you could go and just scan that, and it should redirect you to this window here. Now what you need to do in this window is you just need to choose the withdrawal speeds, either priority, which is around like 10 minutes if you choose this one, rush is around 2 hours, then standard is around like 24 hours. So they also have their corresponding in this case amount that you need to pay in order for them to use it. But to be speaking, once you click on next and confirm a few things, that should proceed with the transfer. And you just need to wait for a few minutes, or depending on how or what method you specify in here to make the transfer. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.